Hello YouTube, Eric DIY here and Zach with another great review for you. Today we're going to review the Timber Ridge Camping Folding Quad Chair. Now as you see, Zach is chilling right now.
Yeah, this is like the team chair.
Yeah, we just finished it. Oh, I finished dinner. Zach's still eating dinner. Camping out in the yard tonight.
Yeah, and we have some leftovers.
Yeah, we're going to have some fun. We had leftovers from the other night. He's got mac and cheese. I had a nice steak. It's all good.
Yeah, we went out for dinner yesterday.
So let's check out the Timber Ridge camping chair. Zach's going to keep eating his dinner while I actually review this somewhat. But anyways, you can see it has a very nice polyester cloth there. Very durable. I was actually quite shocked when I took it out of the box how built this thing was. It is not for lightweight camping. It is not to put in your backpack. It is to basically go out into your yard, camp if you want in your yard, a yard chair, heavy duty camping, glamping as we're doing tonight. So it's gonna be fun. Even the handles on the Timber Creek camping chair have pads on them. It's not just a cloth, they feel very padded. And the steel itself is very heavy duty. It folds up really easy and it also unpacks really easy. So we're gonna show you that. What I really like about the Timber Creek camping chairs, it has these levels on them, which you can also have it dig into some grass here. So if you want to just really dig in and not move, it ain't moving. And it has those on all four legs. It has a cross brace in the back. Probably one of the best folding chairs I've ever seen. Again, I was very impressed pulling it out of the box, and it has a nice logo. I mean, it's just an overall really good thing. Zach, how do you like sitting in that chair?
Good.
Do you feel like royalty, like you're a king?
Yeah.
King of the woods?
Yep.
Yeah, it's just really nice. It also comes along with a fold-away cup holder, so you can fold it away underneath or you can pull it out as much as you need, and it is just fantastic. Just to let you know, the Timber Ridge camping chair also comes in green if you want it in green. I prefer blue. Zach, I believe that's your favorite color too.
Yeah, that's my favorite color.
So we really like the blue. Very durable. He's dropped a lot of mac and cheese on that chair tonight, haven't you, sir?
Yep.
And it came right off. It looks very easy to clean. I mean, I basically just took some paper towel and wiped it off and it was fine. So durable, easily washable fabric, no problemo, and a heavy sturdy frame. So what do you think? Timber Ridge, really good chair?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like the best in the whole wide world.
Wow, that's going
It's
far.
like the bestest camping chair in the whole wide world.
Wow.
In the United States and everywhere.
Awesome. We've tested it weeks now. What have we done with it, Zach? We went
to baseball with it and we camped with it and had like a nice little thing.
and we also went tailgating yesterday at the Revolution game. This thing has held up spectacularly, if that's even a word, but it has been awesome. Mommy got to use it today at the baseball game. Hey, by the way, how did that baseball game go?
Really good.
Last game of the season. What do you got there, bud?
I got a medal.
You got a medal. Nice job. Tin Cap's proud over there. He played some T-ball this year for the first time, and he did an awesome job. Got 2 hits today. The Timber Ridge camping chair is just high quality. Pros, everything about it is great. The cloth, the breathability of the cloth, the way it's designed, the heavy metal. The only con, honestly, I see is that you're in the market for a lightweight chair. This is not for you. This has a little weight to it. But if you're looking for just a regular camping chair to sit around the campfire and stuff, and you have, you know, portability with a car, vehicle, and you're just going to a campground, this chair is probably one of the best folding camping chairs I've ever seen. Zach is gonna teach us how to pack away the chair. First step is to move the cup holder and just swivel it in, push up on that, and you crunch it all in. This might be tough for a little guy. Let me get in there. Crunch it all in, push the handles in, and that's how compact it is. And then you're just gonna put it in the provided bag. It finally has a nice drawstring and an awesome strap to carry it around with. Now I'm gonna show you how to put the chair down after it's all coming out of the bag. You're just gonna push down the handles, spread it out to the side, and it opens up to your chair, and it's nice and sturdy. As soon as you sit in it, it becomes very sturdy. If you'd like to purchase the Timber Ridge camping chair, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you will be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.